I'm talking with attorney John Crishone about third-party liability. John, what is a third party?
A third party is anyone other than the employer or a coworker. It could be another individual, it could be a company, it could be the state, it could be a municipality, a school district, anyone who played a role in the injury or illness.
What is third-party liability?
Well, third-party liability is when an injured worker or a worker who has an illness brings a claim against someone other than their employer for monetary damages.
If an injured worker is receiving workers' comp benefits, can they still receive damages from a third party?
Yes, an injured worker can bring a claim against a third party for pain and suffering, for the loss or enjoyment of life, and the permanency of the injury they received or the illness they've obtained through their work environment.
John, what's the process for making a claim against a third party?
The process is the same as it would be for anyone who brings a lawsuit in New York State. You file a lawsuit, you go through the normal discovery process. Sometimes cases settle, sometimes they go to trial, but it's not unlike any other non-work situation. The important thing to keep in mind, though, is that the workers' compensation aspect adds a little twist to the case in that the workers' compensation carrier has a certain interest in the case as well as the injured party.
Does someone need an attorney?
Yes. When you're bringing a third-party claim, it's important to be aware of the relationship of that claim to the workers' compensation claim.
What's the important thing to know if someone thinks they may have a third-party claim?
Well, they should talk to their workers' compensation attorney about it. In our office, we review every file that comes into the office to determine if there is a third-party action. We find out as much as we possibly can about how they were injured or obtained their illness. Through that process, we're able to identify potential third parties and proceed accordingly.